ChatBots, defined as programs simulating conversation, are now commonplace through smart speakers and websites, though not all utilize AI. The technology has evolved from basic interactive FAQs and rigid rules-based systems to conversational AI, which uses natural language processing to understand the intent behind user questions. This journey has culminated in generative AI, which is a fundamental game-changing shift that moves beyond understanding to actively create new content, like summaries or images, based on massive language models. This advancement enables the virtual agent, which proactively anticipates and assists with user needs, marking a big shift from just answering questions to actively assisting. This capability is driving an industry-wide transformation, with 85% of executives expecting generative AI to interact directly with customers within 2 years. The technology offers significant benefits, including 24/7 support for customers and a massive efficiency boost for businesses through cost reduction, task automation, lead generation, and providing incredible data. However, this power is a double-edged sword. Major risks include hallucinations when the AI confidently makes stuff up, the introduction of brand new security risks, and serious privacy and compliance headaches resulting from personalization. To manage these challenges, businesses must be strategic. They must prioritize security from day one, plan for future growth, protect their brand as the bot reflects the company, understand the training effort required, and integrate the bot with existing systems. Ultimately, this signals a fundamental shift in human-technology interaction, moving toward just having a conversation, raising the question of where the line is drawn between an assistant and an autonomous agent.